Today we'll be doing a nail dash application. I'm going to be using these cute holiday dashes, Candy Cane Lane. When you receive your box, inside will have everything that you'll need. You'll see the display nails, a cuticle stick, the glue, a buffer and file, and all your extra nails inside. The first thing I like to do is size the dashes to my nails. You'll find a number on the back side to help you measure. If you have a hard time seeing the number, use your phone flashlight to illuminate it. When sizing the dashes to your nails, make sure they reach from end to end without overlapping the skin, but covering all of your nail. Once you have all the sizes matched up to your nails, you can lay them out and start to prep your natural nails. I like to start with a cuticle stick and push my cuticles back. This is really important to get that salon quality look, to have a nice tight seal, and to keep your natural nails underneath healthy. Make sure to push them back as best as you can, and then I like to clean them up with a nipper. You can get a cheap one at Dollar Tree or find one for under $10 on Amazon or Target. This is really great for clipping that excess skin and again giving you that salon quality look. Next, I move on to the buffer. I am going to buff the top layer of my nail gently. Now, this is optional, but keep in mind you have more than 30 layers of your natural nail. So this gentle buff on top will not damage your nails in the long run and will just help your dashes stay on longer. My final prep step is to use an alcohol swab. This has been a game changer to keep my nails on longer. This removes any excess oils, dirt, bacteria, and also dehydrates the nail a bit so the glue sticks even better. I also like to keep it handy to clean up any messes. Now you can use the glue in the box, but this brush-on nail glue has been a game changer. I definitely recommend purchasing it in addition to your dashes. The amount of glue that you put on is relative to how long you want the dashes to stay. So I'm putting on a thin coat on my pinky and putting it on with a 45-degree angle, getting as close to my cuticle, pushing it right underneath there as I can. Then using the alcohol swab to clean up any glue that may have squeezed out. A nice general coating of the glue, just as if I was applying nail polish, and putting that dash as close to the cuticle as possible, kind of right underneath it for that most natural look, and making sure to clean it up. Now, if you want your dashes to stay more than a few days, you may want to put another layer of glue, or I like to put a nice thick coat to have it last over a week. The alcohol swab will clean up any excess and make sure that you don't get glue stuck on your fingers. The last step I always do is to customize my thumb dashes. My thumbnails are very straight at the bottom, and so I buff away the bottom curve to make it look like a more natural fit. Best part of the dashes is they are customizable, so you can file and buff them just like you would your natural nail to get the exact shape that you like. I also put on a little extra glue on my thumbs since they get the most action. Hold it tight. I repeat on my other thumb, and I have my final manicure in under 10 minutes.